Hi there. Hope you're having a good day today. Here we're going to be looking at SI units and orders of magnitude. This is one area where maths and science really do meet up, so keep that in mind as we go forward. Scientists need to be sure that they are all working together in the same units. A unit is basically a way of counting something in fixed amounts, and they work best when they are standardized. In other words, when every unit is always exactly the same. One ancient unit was the cubit, which was used in ancient Egypt around 5,000 years ago. 1 cubit was the distance from the elbow to the tips of the fingers. But why do you think people don't use the cubit today? You can pause when I ask a question if you want time to think, but the reason we don't use cubits today is because cubits are not standardized. People can have shorter and longer forearms, and that changes the unit. Actually, the Egyptians did have a unit called the royal cubit, which was the very first standardized unit of measurement. But not all people in ancient Egypt had access to one of these royal cubit rods. Today, though, scientists need to make very precise measurements, and so they need to be extremely exact in their numbers. Over time, we have made better and better units, and the modern system of units in science is the SI system. The SI system is based on the metric system, which uses multiples of the number 10, so 10, 100, 1000, etc. And it's used for everyday measurements in almost the whole world. But all scientists have agreed to use the SI system, which stands for Système International. This is French because it was the French who first designed the metric system of counting. There are 7 basic units in the SI system. There is the meter to measure distance, the kilogram to measure mass, the second for time, the ampere for electrical current, the Kelvin for thermodynamic temperature, the candela for luminous intensity, and the mole for the amount of a substance. Don't worry if you're not familiar with all those units just now, but with only those 7 units we can calculate just about everything we need to know about the world. Each unit has its own symbol, which could be one or more lowercase or uppercase letters. A unit uses an uppercase letter if it's from someone's name, so there actually was a scientist called Ampere and a scientist called Kelvin, and so on. You may have heard of other units that we use, but they can all be made up from these basic 7. For example, you might have heard of the Newton as a unit of force, but 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meter per second squared, and kilograms, meters, and seconds are all basic SI units. Hi there, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, etc. If you prefer longer videos, you can find the full versions of these lessons on our other channel, which is just up there. But no matter what, please keep learning something, because no matter who you are or how old you are, every day is a school day. Bye for now.